everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very tasty, delicious Masur Moongi the dal with mushroom. How to make it tasty, delicious dal with mushroom? Let me show you. Let's get started. The ingredients we needed to make it tasty, delicious Masur Moongi dal with mushroom. This is the Masur dal. Then this is moongi. Half cup masur, half cup moongi. This is what I have done. Half. So 1 cup dal, 5 white mushroom, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, 4 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, about 2 teaspoons, and 1 green chili, 1 ball spinach. We're going to cut into small pieces. Olive oil for tadka, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, black pepper, half teaspoon each, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. That's we're going to use with the dal. I'm going to cut up onion, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, and mushroom along with the palak, which is spinach. The time I'm cutting up, I'm going to soak the dal in cold water. This is the only time we need for the soaking, which is going to be like 5 minutes. Then we're going to wash it couple times. Once it's get clean, then drain the water. We'll add into pressure cooker along with salt, turmeric powder. Put it on a burner and cook for 1 to 2 whistles until dal is cooked. Spinach, mushroom, onion, tomatoes, green chili, ginger, garlic is all cut. As for dal, I washed it couple times. I put it in the strainer. We're going to drain the water. Once the water is drained, I get a pressure cooker. I place the dal inside the pressure cooker. Add salt, turmeric powder, and 3 cups water. Place the cover and let's put it on burner. Start burner and place the pressure cooker on it. We'll wait for 1 to 2 whistles. Turn off the gas and let it sit until it cools down. And the time the dal is cooking, we're going to prepare tadka. While dal is cooking, I'll start another burner. Get a fry pan. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, add cumin, jeera. Mix it. This is good. Now add ginger and garlic. Mix it. Cook ginger, garlic until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. So cook like 20 seconds. This is good. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking until the onions are nicely translucent. The onions are nicely translucent. Add green chili. Mix it well. Cook green chili along with tadka for half minute. We have our first whistle, as you heard that. Cooking for half minute. Add tomatoes. Mix it well. We have our second whistle and we're going to turn off the gas. So as you see, we have our second whistle and we turn off the gas. We're going to put the pressure cooker on the back side so it can cool down. And on this side, bring your gas on the medium. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes so that tomatoes can get tender. On medium gas, cooking for 3 minutes with the cover lid. I'll open it. Mix it. If you notice that the tomatoes are tender, you can mash it or you can leave it like this. This is another tip I want to share with you. You can use it like a potato masher. See, if you notice that when we mash it, the tomatoes are nicely tender. So they mash it really well. I just wanted to show it to you. You can use this as a mashing tool. Now add spices. Black pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and mix it all. We are still cooking on medium gas. Once it's nicely combined, add mushroom. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly. Bring your gas to medium-low. Cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Exactly 5 minutes. Cooking with the closed lid. Mix it. The mushroom is nicely tender. Add spinach. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly, cover with the lid, cook for 2 minutes. The time we're cooking, we're going to open the dal. As you can see, there is no pressure, and we'll open it. And dal is perfectly done. And if we check dal, this is the perfect. So we added 3 cup water. So we're going to add 1 more cup water. If you want to make it more running, you can add more water, but I'll add 1 cup more water. So this is perfect. So you add 3 cup, give like a 2 whistle, and dal is ready. In the time we are done with our tadka, dal is fully done. I have my rice puff is getting ready with the dal. So 2 minutes cooking spinach, palak along with mushroom. Mix it, and now we're going to transport the dal. Add 1 cup water. Look at this, so delicious dal. By adding a palak, it goes to another level. Very tasty. 1 cup water. So as I mentioned, if you want to make it more running, you always can do so. So after mixing it, cover with the lid again, bring the dal to boil. Once the water started to boil, that's it. We're going to turn it off and we're going to dish out. As the water started to boil, I'll open the lid, mix it, dal is all ready. Turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. I have my serving bowl ready and I'll dish out. Very delicious dal. It's so easy to make and so super tasty. Let me share with you. Tasty, delicious dal is all ready. Prior to serving, add some fresh lemon juice. And that is perfect. So if you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.